welcome to today's piano music class with Matthew AGBA, your host, piano instructor. I'm sure you actually enjoyed our previous class. So today's class promises to be quite interesting, and I'm sure you'll be glad that you did. So I'll begin by sharing my screen so we could know our outline for today's class, which happens to be the continuation of our previous class. So stay tuned, relaxed, and enjoy our class for today. Thank you. Okay, in today's class, we'll be talking about the F clef and staff, which happens to be the continuation of our previous class. The F clef is otherwise known as the bass clef. The F clef is otherwise known as the bass clef. And take note, when the clef is being fixed on the staff, it is called the F staff. So when the F clef is fixed on the staff, it is called the F staff or the bass staff, as the case may be. Usually, the bass clef is fixed to the staff, ensuring that the middle coil starts from the note F, which happens to be the fourth line. And on that same fourth line, we have two dots enclosing it, counting upwards. So we look at our staff there, bass staff, we look at line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You see that line 4 is where the activity takes place. 1, the middle coil takes its root. In the course of drawing it clockwise as an inverted F, we also have the two dots enclosing the fourth line. These are the typical features of the bass staff or the clef, F clef. So we move to identify the names of the notes on the line and space of the bass staff. Looking at our slide on the screen, you can find that we have that names of the notes on the line, and we have some names of the notes on the space. Looking at it, on the first line, we have G. On the second line, we have B. On the fourth line, we have D. On the fourth line, we have F. And on the fifth line, we have A. This can simply be summarized as good boy deserves favor always. G, B, D, F, A as on the line. So for the space, we have first space A, second space C, third space E, fourth space G. And this could be summarized as all cows eat grass, A, C, E, G. This is the easiest way of memorizing names of the notes on the line and space of the bass staff. Looking above here, this is alphabetical arrangement. Beginning from G, move to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. They have been arranged line space in the order of the alphabet. So we count each line space alphabetically wise. So we have G after G musically, we should have A, go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And that manner, take note that on the bass staff, as a pianist, uses the left hand. Use your left hand to play the bass staff conventionally. I'm sure today's class was quite thrilling. I want to recap. First and foremost, I've talked about what the F clef and the bass clef is all about. F clef is otherwise called the bass clef. So when the clef is fixed on the staff, it is called what? The F staff or the bass staff. So I've looked at the names of the notes on the lines and space of the bass staff. We looked at the line, we looked at the bass, we looked at the lines being summarized as good boy deserves favor always. Likewise, the space, all cows eat grass. So we could have seen how they have been arranged alphabetically wise, which can aid in your reading that when you have G on the line, A should be on the space. So alphabetically, A, B, C, D, E, F, G in like manner. And the bass staff is being used. By the left-hand side, in the course of the piano music. Thank you so much. I'm sure you did enjoy today's class. I expect questions. Then some can send your questions to my various social media handles. This will be quite welcome as your questions will be answered. Thank you. I remain your host, teacher, instructor, Matthew AGBA. Have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.